Today it was Nothing's big day, with the new Nothing Ear 3 and their announcement, and they made the right choices. I'm Ale and you're watching Tech by AF. Today, 18th of September, Nothing announced the new Nothing Ear 3, bringing back again the old denomination with the 2022 Nothing Ear 1 and 2023 Nothing Ear 2, skipping the Nothing Ear 2024. And this time they delivered a good product. Nothing announcements were really great. First of all, the aluminum case. Nothing is starting to use aluminum for their earbuds Nothing Ear 3 case. And it's quite a big deal since Apple, Samsung and every other earbud maker still use plastic for their cases. With aluminum case we have two things. First of all, the aluminum case gives a sturdy feel and a premium feel, otherwise only achievable with a high quality hinge on the earbuds. And the problem is that with aluminum, as in iPhone 17, there is no radio wave that comes in and goes out from the case. And this is a problem for pairing with the earbuds. So, to overcome this problem, they put the thinnest radio antenna that they could fit on the case. That is the 0.35mm antenna, the smallest antenna available on the market right now. So they are pushing innovation again. The 12mm dynamic driver that is being put inside of the actual earbud is becoming a wide standard inside of the high fidelity field, and Nothing is using it for their earbuds. I'm very curious about the dynamic response of the earbuds since Nothing always used a bass-heavy response, and I'm curious if they will follow the previous gen path or they will use a more V-shaped dynamic response to have a more natural sound. We will see when we will have the product in our hands. And before talking about the newest talk button on the case, if you're liking this video and you want to follow my channel, please leave a like and subscribe for more videos. Nothing showed how talk button works, and it's quite a revolutionary thing. The case now features a microphone. The new talk button is used like a switch. You have a super microphone on the case, which is enabled by the button, and when you talk to it, all the environmental noise is cancelled out, leaving your voice crystal clear and audible when you are in a noisy environment. Now, Nothing's design has always been quite a big deal, especially with the Nothing Phone 3 and now with the Nothing Ear 3. We always have that industrial design even on the earbuds, showing the circuitry inside of it. And personally, being an electronic engineering student, I really like it to see the circuit inside of it. And especially with the gimmicky thing about the talk button, the microphone on the case, the aluminum case, the radio antennas, and all the things that Nothing featured inside of these earbuds, is very good to see the inside of them even for a little part. Nothing is taking the right path. They're delivering a pretty good earbud with new features never seen before, like the aluminum case and the talk button, while still keeping the soul of Nothing earbuds. And their customers are really happy about this, I think. The final price will be around $179, so they are competing with Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro and Apple AirPods. But they are delivering a good earbuds with a lot of customization from the app side with Nothing X, and they are delivering a lot of features. And I think that in a saturated market that is the earbud market right now, with a lot of earbuds that they are very similar one to another, Nothing is giving a quick shock on the market, but not only delivering a good earbud for their drivers inside of it, like all the other earbuds on the market, but they are delivering new features with a new look and giving new materials inside of this market that is being stagnant for quite a lot of years right now. So with this price range, I really hope that nothing gives a shock to the market and their competitors start giving new features and developing new technologies right now in these kind of devices. And I'm really curious to see these devices in my ears and to try them on with some heavy bass music. And why not, maybe giving a review. I'm Ale and you are watching Tech by AF. And I'll see you in the next one.